We are Chris and Tiernee Schatz of Wayland Ventures. We are a husband and wife RV renovation and design team based out of Wisconsin. We work with clients nationwide, bringing your RV dreams to life.
And one of the services we provide is what we call a pre-purchase option, where we work with the client hand in hand and we do the shopping for them. So we work with them on their wants and needs, size restrictions, weight requirements, and what they're looking to use the camper for, and then we go out and we find that camper for them. We do full and partial renovations, and in the end, the camper comes out just like you envisioned and just like you dreamed of.
With Kensi May, we worked with a family from New Hampshire who was looking for a sanctuary getaway to spend weekends with friends and family. When shopping for our clients, we make sure the RV checks all the boxes while also checking for water damage and any signs the RV wasn't properly cared for before recommending to our clients. Demo day can take a few days before we start custom build out and detailing. Paint prep is next, with sanding, taping, caulking, and priming before 2 to 3 coats of paint. Wallpaper and feature walls go in while flooring and trim get started. We often reimagine and customize the RV for our clients. This may look like larger bunks, more storage, a fresh fireplace wall, or even making room for a mini fridge. Take a tour of Kensi May with us.